Welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're taking a look at two clever little time savers from Chameleon, both designed to cut van stock, speed up installs and make sure you're not heading back to the site over something as simple as a mismatched handle. We've got the Adaptable Inline Espag Handle and the Offset Multi-Spindle Espag Handle, and between them you've got most window jobs covered. Both handles come with multiple spindle lengths included, plus fixings and cover caps, so you're not scrambling for parts mid-install. And the beauty of these is in the name, adaptable. The inline handle adjusts between 10mm and 55mm, perfect when you're not sure what you're walking into. No cutting spindles, no guesswork, you just choose the right length, slot it in and get on with the job. And for those with older or non-standard setups, especially where offsets are involved, this one comes prepped with 15mm, 30mm and 43mm spindles. So again, you've got options straight out the pack. For locksmiths, glaziers and anyone doing repairs or replacements on the fly, these handles help you finish the job first time. Whether it's a standard install or something a bit quirky, you're sorted. And because they're from Chameleon, you know they've been built for the trade. Solid feel, smart finish and no nonsense installation. Two handles, wide coverage, no faff. If you're looking to reduce repeat visits, simplify stock and get that clean professional install every time, grab the Chameleon Adaptable Inline and Offset Espag Handles today at aldridgesecurity.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more trade focused walkthroughs right here on Unlocked. See you next time.